We apologise for any inconvenience this will cause. Passengers are reminded that smoking is not permitted anywhere in Glasgow Central Station. This includes under the canopy at the Water Street entrance to the station. The next change to platform 7 is B1810 Scott Railway service to College, East, Whitegate, Patterton and Newston. This train is formed of 6 coaches. The rear of platform 7 for the 1810 Scott Railway service
Para que siempre gane, para que no quiera decir.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
This is Glasgow Central train station, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. This is a nice train station. You can go to many places in UK, apart of Scotland. If you see the platform 12, you can go to Paisley, Tilgorok. Let me see where is to go to England. I cannot see now. But for example, if you want to go to Edinburgh, I think it's platform 15. I'm not sure. But hope you like this video, guys. Okay. Let me know in the comments. Okay. I'm going now.